right now we are heading to see some of the properties in Windsor. And why we are doing this? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, another week, another vlog. So today we are heading to Windsor and it is a work trip. We are going for 4 days. But beside that, we have another super important task to do over there. Everything is packed. Now let's go. Half hours away from Windsor. Okay guys, so finally we are in Windsor and the time right now is 7:45. We're gonna go in there, check in, and I'm going to give you the quick tour of this place. They have microwave, coffee machine, dishwasher, cups, plates, glasses, and they have some tiffins, and they have some essentials. Okay, so that was a quick tour of this place and we are going to stay here for next 4 days, and we are super excited to be in Windsor as usual because this is our most favorite city in Canada. So anyways, now we are going to change and get fresh, and then we are going to get relaxed, and I will see you guys tomorrow. It is day 2, which is it is Tuesday today. Okay, and the time is 7 o'clock, and we are heading to one of the fabric stores called the Fabric Land because I need to buy clothes from there for Diwali because I didn't buy nothing yet. And this is huge store. And this is the fabric that I bought, and I will show you the final look on Diwali. For lunch today we have biryani and it's super yummy. It is day 4, Thursday, and the time is 6:30, and right now we are heading to see some of the properties in Windsor. And why we are doing this I will tell you in my upcoming vlogs. So this was I talking about before leaving for Windsor. So anyways, we are going to see the house market in Windsor so that we can get some of the ideas about that. And let's go and see the first property. It is.
I've never seen a beautiful condo like this. Like usually, so I believe the lease price is $2,800, and then up for sale for I believe it's $579. Let me just double check. It's $579. Here's the master.
And it has walk-in closet as well. Washroom. Yeah.
That's funny how they use the same key for. Oh no, because we use the keypad.
Guys, I just loved this property. It had 3 bedrooms. It was humongous condo. Now we are heading to the next. So let's go.
Might make up for the large condo.
Yes, it is.
So the one that is $585, which one is that? The golf view?
This building is under construction and this is the model house, and the price varies from unit to unit. It depends how many bedrooms and what upgrades you want in your apartment.
This is a list of the upgrades in the model.
Those both condos were super beautiful. I loved the last one. However, I really liked the first one as well, and we told our agent that we are interested in contemporary houses. So yeah, we saw 2 properties today. And why did we do that? As I said, I'm gonna tell you in my upcoming vlogs. And tomorrow we are going back to Toronto, and it was super duper amazing time in Windsor as usual. And tomorrow I'm gonna go to Hema to get my dress stitched for Diwali, and I will show you when it is ready. And I also need to do some other preparations for Diwali. It is day 5, Friday. We are heading to Toronto, but before that we need to buy some Rangoli colors for Rangoli. So we are at this Indian store, grocery store, where we always buy our groceries in Windsor. So let's go and buy some Rangoli colors. Our mini shopping for Diwali is done, and now we are heading for something super different and super exciting thing. Actually, we are going to get Sanjay's ears pierced. So let's go. So we need to choose this dress from this one. So these are the options. I think we are gonna go with this one.
You're doing just one?
Just one, yes.
Done.
Nice. Charm amazing लग रहा है.
Very nice. Take a look.
And now we are heading back to Toronto, so let's go. And now we are going to buy mithai for everyone, and this is one of the best mithai shops, I would say, in GTA. They have super delicious and super fresh mithai, so we are going to buy sweets for all the family members because they love their mithai. So let's go. We bought mithai for everyone. This is the place where we always buy our mithai. And now we are heading to Hema's place because I need to give my dress to Hema for stitching. I just got home and received a beautiful Diwali gift from BC Naturals Diwali Diyas, and I am super excited. Oh my god. So I've got 12 diyas. Their shipping process is super fast, and each diya is individually packed to prevent breakage during your shipping, which is the best part. And they smell super nice. Another best part of these diyas is they are filled with plant-based soy wax, which is nature friendly. And I'm looking forward to use these aesthetic handmade diyas on Diwali that will lighten up my space with an amazing fragrance. And if you also want to buy these diyas, then I'm going to provide the link in the description box below. You can check it out. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe my channel because there is a lot more coming up for you guys. Till then, you take care and I'll see you again. And I wish you all a very happy Diwali in advance.